What's up, guys, and welcome back to another video. Today we're gonna be doing something a little bit different. We're gonna be washing and detailing my truck. Now, I'm not a professional detailer, but I do like to keep my things nice and clean. So today we're gonna be reviewing some products. The disclaimer, not sponsored. Just wanted to try them out and let you guys know what I think about them, and maybe you can try them. So let's get into it. So these are products from a new local to me in South Florida company that want to basically give you a quality product at a better price than the bigger companies will. So let's get into the time lapse of starting to wash the truck, and I'll get back to you with my thoughts on all these products. Okay, I just want to cut this video in the middle just to let you know that for the interior, what you just saw, the time lapse, I've used Meguiar's APC. And for the dash and the doors, I like to use this product, Meguiar's Interior Cleaner, which is a little bit more delicate than the APC, and it does a great job. Now, when I do run out of the Meguiar's, I will be trying the Drippin Wet APC. So stay tuned on a future video for that. And also, Drippin Wet Detailing Supplies will be dropping some more products in the beginning of next year. So keep on. All right, we're done washing it. Check this out. All right, guys, it's 2 days later. I ran out of time on Saturday when I was washing the truck, but here we are. Now I had time this morning and I hit it with a quick detailer. This is 2 days later after washing it. I sprayed it with a quick detailer and check out this shine. Look at that. I even did the wheels with it. I'm continue to be blown away with these products. Once again, I'm not sponsored. I paid for these products and I only have good things to say about them. Look at that. So we're gonna end off the video right here. Thank you for all your support. Please like, share, subscribe to the channel. I'm gonna leave a link down in the description for Drippin Wet Detailing Supplies. Check them out. They make a quality product, won't break the bank, and I'll catch you guys on the next one.